guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to go have a look at a Honda. Stay tuned. Have a look at a Honda. I'm just gonna get some tools, see if anything needs to be tightened or loosened, and let's get to it. So the other day, finally picked up some gloves. Was that excited? Picked up extra large ones. Damn it. Alright boys, we are in the Foz. And look, we got a mount. But you guys are up there. Gonna let it warm up a little bit. Yeah. Alright boys. I haven't got much petrol, but this Honda is close by, guys. But I am gonna stop the servo. Stop at 7-Eleven and pick up a coffee before heading over to see the Honda. It's Good Friday today, guys, so not much is open, just servos pretty much. Everyone's got a day off, going to be busy on the roads. Cars are freaking dirty. Been getting a little bit of rain, just trashing the cars. That's why the Foz is dirty on the outside. Look at that, boys. Honda CR-V. See ya. I'm not getting that. No way. Got better class than that. Last time I was in this car park, the old Skyline broke down. Whole starter issue. I was losing coolant. The hoses on the overflow. Grab a coffee. Alright boys, one of the hoses to the coolant reservoir had split. The one that goes to the top of the radiator. So I was losing a bit of coolant. Had enough length there, I just chopped it and put it back on. It's Dapper. Whoa. Hello, Auto. Alright, let's go look at this Honda. Stop stuffing around. Alright boys, we are here. Picker Parts, Good Friday appeal. $50 all you can carry. Let's go check out that Honda. All the boys are here. It is so busy. Alright. I have to carry all my tools to the very bottom of the yard too. That's going to be fun. Wow. Fucked up big time there, boys. Should've came in yesterday and pretty much got it all out. Had plenty of time yesterday. But I was sanding the freaking Skyline. So close to getting the engine out too. $50 for a K24 Honda VTEC engine. Could have been. A bit disappointed in myself. Pissed off.
Day 4.
Hi boys. Heading back to Picker Part. Get a little bit of petrol. And yeah. Fingers crossed we'll get this K24. If it's still there. It's 2 or 3 days later. So hopefully got here to Picker Part and it's so quiet compared to the other day. But look at that. 98 Forester, 92 Prelude, 1200, 1100. Also, sorry if I'm not getting really good shots. I don't have the, what do you call it, viewfinder? The little screen on the back of the GoPro, just so I'm saving the battery while I'm here. Alright, let's get in there. There it is, boys. K24. So nothing has been removed since the other day. So I don't have a big enough socket to get this off, so I'm probably going to have to take the whole, I'll take the lower ball joint off too on both sides. Alright, so I've got the whole knuckle brake assembly off here and drive shafts out. This side I've loosened off all the ball joints, that one there and that one there. Just going to loosen off this bolt here and we'll take them all out. Got all that assembly off, the drive shaft out, we've got a engine crane cherry picker thing, pulling through the wiring loom. The ECU is gone, which is a bit annoying, but if I'm going to do this up, I'll be using an aftermarket one. So get that through, get some seat belts to tie it up and get it out. There we go, boys. Got her out. CVT, I believe. And the cable, not drive-by wire, is good. I'll put this down. Okay guys, so the special here at Pick Apart does not include power steering or AC, so I'm going to take them off. There will be a closed system anyway, swapping from another car, so these are open, so we'll just get rid of them. And there we have it, boys. We've got an engine in the back. The Foz finally has a real engine. A K24. What are we going to do with this? I actually got the engine in the back of the Forester. Has anybody else done that before? Comment down below if you've put an engine in the back of your Foz. It's actually not squeaky. Just keep an engine in the back and it's not squeaky anymore. How good's that? I'm home. Didn't smash the back window. Yes. I've got to see if my dad's come home yet, so I can park up here and get the engine hoist out and get it and chuck it on the engine stand. Yeah. Let's go have a look. Anyway, actually I'm going to finish this episode here. Hope you enjoyed it. It did take a few days to get this engine. It cost me $107 Australian for a K24. Half price. Yeah, boys. Getting it out.